Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can ask Google Gemini to challenge you on a quiz with any topic that you choose. So in here, I've already on the Gemini apps, and you can start by clicking on this chat box and just type in quiz me. Click on submit and wait for the Gemini to respond. Okay, so the Gemini answer, let's see how well you know the world. The question one is, what is the largest country in the world by land area? So I'm going to just, for example, answer Russia and see if it's correct. Click on submit. The answer close. Okay, so I'm wrong. Apparently, Russia is a large country, but it's not the biggest. Do you want to try another country? You can click on yes, or you can type in your answer. For example, I'm going to just write China. Let's see if I'm right now. Okay, so I'm right, and now it's it moved into the question two. So you can just finish this quiz to challenge yourself with or to challenge your knowledge in the common sense. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.